Bookmarks can be used in Google Chrome as an electronic way to remember your most used and common web addresses. It is good practice to create a bookmark both for your Autodesk account and also for your BIM 360 login. This will enable you to quickly navigate to both these addresses. To show the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, simply select the menu buttons, then the bookmarks option and use the show bookmarks command. This can also be used via the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-B. Once activated, the bookmarks bar will be visible at the top of your web browser. To add a bookmark, this can be done in two ways. You can simply select the star symbol from the web address and this will automatically bookmark this tab to the bookmarks bar. If I select it, you will be prompted to give the bookmark a bookmark name. Here I'm going to assign this as my Autodesk login and then I click the done button. You will now see that this is now added to the bookmark. If I choose my BIM 360 login, in this case it's docs.b360.autodesk.com, I can also add this as a bookmark to my bookmarks bar. This can also be done via the menu, bookmarks, and you can use the Ctrl-D keyboard shortcut, or you can simply select the command in the settings. You can then change the name, and I can now call this BIM 360 login. Now I have successfully bookmarked both web addresses. To add further organization to your bookmarks bar, you can also add in a series of folders to organize your bookmarks into different segments. To add a folder, you can simply right click on the bookmarks bar and use the option Add Folder. Once you select the Add Folder option, you will then be prompted to choose a particular name and then a location for your bookmark folder. In this instance, I'm going to add the folder to the bookmarks bar. If I click Save, it will now add a new folder to the bookmarks bar. To add content to this folder, I can simply drag an existing bookmark using left click and drop it into my BIM 360 folder. If we wish to add further folder categorization to the bookmarks bar, I can add a subsequent new folder to a different location other than the bookmarks bar. Here I'm choosing Other Bookmarks, then select the option for New Folder. In here I can simply give the folder a title and click Save. This will now activate the Other Bookmarks section, which is located at the right of the bookmarks bar. This is another area other than the main bookmarks bar to show locations. If I wish to organize and put my Autodesk login into the Other Bookmarks folder, I can do this via the Bookmark Manager. If I select my options, then Bookmarks, I can now choose Bookmark Manager. This interface allows me to move and configure and re-update the configuration of my bookmarks. Here I can select my Autodesk login and I can drag and drop it into the folder that I wish it to be accessed in. I've now activated it in to the Autodesk login folder. So you can see now I can organize folders and bookmarks to suit my individual requirements. We do recommend that you place your Autodesk login and your BIM 360 login on the main bookmarks bar. This will enable quick access to both of these commonly used sites. Once you have configured your bookmarks the way that you want them, it's possible to import and export these bookmarks. If we wish to export the bookmarks, simply go to your Bookmark Manager, then choose the Options bar for the organization and choose the Export Bookmark section. This will export the current configuration of the bookmarks to a HTML file. It's good practice once you have all this set up to save a copy of this file. Here I've exported the bookmarks out to my desktop. When importing bookmarks, we have provided a bookmark HTML file dataset which will automatically create your most commonly used bookmarks. To do this, simply select the options bar within Google Chrome, then choose the Bookmarks and Bookmark Manager. Within the Bookmark Manager, select the three dots on the option bar and choose the option Import Bookmarks. Then simply choose the file 2.4-BIM360 Bookmarks and select Open. This will automatically create the Autodesk Construction Cloud folder with all your required bookmarks. For ease of access, it's a good idea to drag this Autodesk Construction Cloud to the bookmarks bar. This will now add it to the bookmarks bar. For further clarity, you can remove the imported folder, which is automatically created when you import a bookmark. If I right click and choose the delete option, I've now successfully imported bookmarks and configured my bookmark bar as required. Here I can simply select the drop down and choose my required bookmarks. Within here you will notice that I have options for a BIM360 login and the Autodesk account ID.